this is Hannah Hemmings. She will be joining our class.
Are you sure she's in the right class? I mean, she's a little short for the 6th grade, don't you think?
Tyler, remember we raise our hands in class. And Hannah happens to be a very bright student, so much so that she skipped the 4th and 5th grade.
Still, my cousin's in kindergarten, and she's about the same height.
Failure.
That's enough. Regardless of her size, I expect each and every one of you to make her feel welcome.
I know exactly who you are.
Yeah.
Lord have mercy. We must stay focused, brothers. We must stay focused.
Hannah, why don't you go ahead and take a seat right next to Kristen?
Welcome to Brookside. Don't mind Tyler. He's been an extra big jerk ever since we got our presentation assignments. I think it's really cool that you skipped 2 grades, though. You must be a total genius.
Burger. Nom nom nom.
In addition to welcoming our new student, I have another very exciting announcement. As a reward for getting the highest standardized test scores in the county, I bought some jelly donuts. Hannah, are you okay?
I'm okay. I just don't feel like eating it because I didn't earn it like the rest of the class.
No, nonsense. Consider it a welcome gift.
If you're not gonna eat it, I will.